We begin this video in front of a locked shop that we can't enter. 240 is right behind those closed doors. We're just gonna chill and wait for Troy to get here. And while we do that, we got a couple packages we can open. We got this one in the mail today.
Hendik Stolarski.
Yo, I had this merch idea. Tell me what you think. A mug, like a ceramic mug,
yeah,
but it's a styrofoam cup.
That's pretty cool.
And there's like a football in it. Like on the inside of the cup.
Yeah,
like painted, yeah.
Oh man, these toothpicks ain't too tough. Oh, I got a pen. What the fuck?
Wait, I'll go in the shop real quick. I'll grab a razor.
Oh, okay. If it's not a flashlight, I'm gonna be pissed. I think it's a belt. It looks like suede to me. It smells weird. Is this a timing belt? Is that like a classic meme or something? I think it's a belt for your truck.
Oh, because it squeaks? Dude, that's fucking sick.
I'll read the letter. Quentin, I've included in this package a fan belt for your truck, as I heard in your videos it was squeaking. I originally got turned on to your channel from your first video on your truck, as that's what I'm into. And then like
a fellow trucker.
Truck. Anyways, you and DJ and the whole gang are so entertaining. I've stuck around despite not knowing anything about drift cars. Cool. Definitely keep going. You guys have something special. I can't wait to see where things go.
I like it. That's a great package. Thank you, dude.
For real.
This one is from Constant. Also, for the record, I went to a concert last night. I went to see St. John in Seattle. Got absolutely obliterated last night. And before St. John even went on stage, I got kicked out of the venue. I'm very hungover. MoreSkids. Sup. I'm starting a magazine. Fuck yeah. Let me know what you guys think. Oh, mag number 2 coming out around the end of January. Constant mag.
Yeah, this is gonna be sick. I'm already hyped on this.
Constant mag. And he's got a business card. Let's check this thing out. Mag number 1. 86 Matsuri Gallery. I've got a good feeling, man. I hope me and DJ can feature in it.
I would love to contribute to your magazine.
If you want to check it out, I guess hit him up on these places.
Telephone?
Yo. Are you at work right now?
Yep, what's up?
I was wondering if I could get in the shop.
Probably. You have to scrunch up Grandpa there somewhere.
Okay. Yeah, I tried calling, but I can't find him, so we'll just wait for you.
He can't be too far. He moves slow.
Yeah, I know. Well, at least we got a magazine to pass the time. That's my grandpa. Yo, dude.
What you want?
Are you around?
I will be in about 45 minutes.
Okay, I just need to get in the shop.
All right, I'll open it on my way home.
Great, thank you. All right, 45 minutes is better than 2 hours.
That's true.
There you are, work away.
Thanks, Gramps.
Have fun. See ya.
Okay, we're back in. We're back here doing stuff.
We made it into the garage is what we're trying to say.
And I got some Goo Gone. It's actually called Goof Off. So we're gonna use this to get rid of all of the residue from the livery.
We're gonna use this to get all this goof off.
We're done peeling, now we're goofing. Yeah, and then I also want to take out the seats and clean up the interior a little bit because it's seen better days, that's for sure. All right, we're gonna put this to the test, see how it really works.
I might goof off with this shit later.
Yeah. Oh shit, there's an actual thing.
Wait, I'm trying to get a sniff on it. Oh yeah, that smells like intoxication. What if this shit eats the vinyl?
That's what I was thinking.
Worst case scenario, everything goes to shit. Oh my god, it's already fucking twerking. Dude, I just dump some of that shit on there and just wipe her down. Oh my god, this shit works amazing. Chemicals are dope, dude. Dude, I want to try this. I'm gonna go get a microfiber.
That works pretty good. All right, so after a long deliberation, we decided to not do what we set out to do today. Our smelly chemical here is like eating away the microfiber and transferring the yellow onto the wrap. And then I started thinking maybe I'll just rewrap the doors or just rewrap the whole car. And then DJ said maybe we'll paint the car. So I just don't really know what we're gonna do at this point. I'm just gonna leave it like this for now. Reenact when the motor was sitting in my driveway.
Again.
Alright, now we gon' clean while we sit here. And I also want to take these seats out like I was saying. This one's like already halfway out.
Sick. Good thing that's past tech every time.
That is dusty.
When's the last time this dash was cleaned?
Never ago.
Never ago. It's never gotten a go at being cleaned.
Like that?
Thank you.
You like that?
This was the moment DJ got bronchitis.
Y'all got inhalers?
Y'all got tuberculosis?
I can taste it in my mouth.
It's like not even clean. It's just cleaner. Oh, my eyes.
Can you taste it?
Yeah. Tastes like Oregon.
Dude, I can't believe how loose it is.
Quentin showed me this little hook he's got for his steering wheel, and like it's like just about to fall off. That's so dumb because like if you're driving, that's just gonna fall off. Like if you go over the tiniest bump, the steering wheel is just gonna fall off of that little hook. You're an idiot. Fucking idiot. What's the hook for though?
For your helmet.
Oh yeah, that makes sense.
Oh, shit.
What?
Here's the
hat?
The hat, yeah.
Do you want to touch it? Rest in peace, Miller Lite.
Yeah, fuck Miller Lite.
Yeah, we Rainier boys.
Whee!
This is actually disgusting. So Quentin's down there undoing the last 2 bolts on that passenger seat, but then we realized in order to pull the seats out, what we have to undo these super legit harness connections down here.
Thank you.
Dude, that's a perfect little filming port here.
Yeah, that's why we cut that hole.
Get the angles.
Get the angles.
That's a ratchet ass hoe, by the way. Seat is loose. Now we just gotta undo that one bolt that holds in this entire harness. What the fuck?
It's a ratcheting ratchet.
It's a wrenching rancher. What the heck?
Where?
The right side hole for the harness.
Oh shit.
That's a big bitch.
What is that?
A big fucking bitch. That's what that means. He's a spooky big bitch. A bug.
Yeah, so I want to vacuum it out too. There's a shop vac down here. Always gotta have one of those on hand. What?
Hey. You should get some real harnesses.
Yeah, that's why I don't really give a fuck about these. Definitely upgrading.
Yeah. Look at that. That's amazing to me. That's so crazy. You just sit there and twist that bitch, and she comes.
Alright, now the seats are out. We can start doing some more cleaning.
That's our new name.
More cleaning.
Vroom vroom.
Vroom vroom. Get out me car.
I'm in my own car. Vroom vroom.
Get out me own car.
No.
Cool. Cool.
Introducing. How are we gonna clean this?
Shop back.
Yeah, but it's not gonna take up all that crusty dirt that's like ingrained into the.
This is part of the car now, dude.
True.
DJ just spotted this Rainier bottle cap. Each Rainier bottle cap has a little riddle on the back of it. Probably can't fucking see this. Oh yeah.
What? Is it upside down? Yes. It is. Yeah, I have no fucking clue.
Comment down below if you know.
I can't focus on it too.
That's why Rainier is the best.
Look, it's chicken.
Look, it's what's for dinner. Alright, we've got our shop vac now.
We got the shop back now that we have a shop vac.
Yeah. It was my grandpa's front porch vac.
But now it's a shop
Now
vac.
it's a shop vac.
Dude, pretty soon I'm gonna have to turn my shop vac into a inside of my car vac. Pretty soon. It's getting crusty in there. I guess it'd be my driveway vac.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry. Plug that into my Samsung flip phone.
Maurice gave me these. He's like,
Hell
you need
yeah.
these new headphones? Those are from 1999.
I guarantee you they are.
Dude, I have a funny bit we could do.
What? So yesterday I was down at the doctor's, and the doctor was saying how my
It's too big. They said that I gotta get it reduced. It has to, it's like 9 inches too long. I think they said they want to take the first 3 inches off of it and then see how that goes. And if that's not small enough, then we're gonna flip it and reverse it and then drop the bead on it. And so it's like not a huge deal. It shouldn't affect. Wait, what do you think about that, though?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. I like your little dangle.
Dude, look at where I am right now.
Dude, you should put in some third row seating up on that bitch. You got a whole ass jungle gym in your car. Dude, Charles is not delivering into a market that he could be, which is children's
Jungle gyms.
jungle gyms, yeah.
Gym jungles.
My name's Jim Jungles. Look what I made.
Owner of the gym.
My name is Jim Jungle Gym, owner of the Jungle Jimmy Jump.
Get it behind you. I'm gonna get a hickey.
That'd be funny if I just got a perfect circle hickey right here. Dude, this dash annoys me. I'm gonna get in there and fucking wash that shit.
We need a pressure washer.
Yeah, this shit's nasty. Honestly, we should just do the whole dry ice bullshit.
Yeah. We're doing this new thing where we answer a couple questions in every video, and the way you can ask those questions is by commenting on our Instagram post when we post a post stating that we have a new video. Every time we get a new video posted, we make a post on Instagram.
Yes.
In those comments,
We want your questions.
Yeah.
For the next video.
a couple of them, because there's like 100 questions. Instead of doing a Q&A, like a whole big old Q&A, we'll just answer a couple questions every video.
Char no bowl. How did you guys manage to find the Corolla wagon for DJ's girl? That one actually belonged to Austin, who is Scared 2. He used to be Garage Swirl.
He does a podcast.
He does a podcast, yeah, called Scared 2. He's like a pretty well-known guy in the Corolla scene up here for sure. So like, and so he just made a post like, hey, you might be thinking about selling this car. And I was like, I'm buying it right now. Oh, what does DJ stand for? That was asked by Arlen G. Malig.
Malig!
I think Malig. Daniel John, my first and middle name.
Daniel John Cromboni, full name.
That's my actual name. Daniel John Boney Cromboni. Oh, this is a good one. Joshy Boy asks, how much do you regret not doing Patreon earlier?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we should have done that a
We
while
did that
ago.
like a year ago. Julio says...
Julio?
Yeah, Julio. Like the Julio. Why can't I find a wife? That's actually rough, man. Your car's like so sick.
Yeah, if there's any ladies watching this, hit up Julio.
Yeah, he's got a sick S13 Sylvia.
All right,
Maybe it's the Crocs?
Oh, yeah.
It could be the Crocs.
So, if you'd like to be in the next video when we ask questions, just comment on the post that might have brought you to this video. We got the Patreon merch samples. So this is what everyone is getting that donated or is donating $10 or more per month. It says, hey, thanks.
Hey,
There's
thanks.
DJ. Here.
I wish I wore my hat.
What'd you just say?
I mean, I meant to say glasses. I wish I wore my hat.
Okay, there's that. This is top secret, but graffiti style, beanie style, MoreSkids style. It'll probably be black.
Yeah,
but
we have other black ones in here.
yeah.
We've got time to dig around. Hey.
These go to everyone who donated $5 or more per month. And we're kind of wrapping up now.
Yeah, we stay wrapped up.
Car doesn't though.
No.
Me either. So thanks to the people that sent us the cool things today. That magazine was pretty cool. That seems like hours ago. It was hours ago.
Yeah, I'm actually really excited to see where that magazine goes because like that's the type of shit I love. It's just like people doing stuff. Like people are like, I'm gonna start this thing, and then they start that thing. I'm always like, nice, good job.
Yeah. Creativity is tight. Also, thanks to that dude for sending me a belt because those are pretty expensive. Yeah, we got it nice and clean. Well, it's not clean obviously, but I got a new turbo setup planned.
It's honestly, it's gonna be sick.
Yeah, I got it. Well, the turbo for sure. I already have it basically. But
The rest supporting mods are not gonna be that. The most expensive thing you're gonna have to do this thing is put an ECU on it.
yeah,
A set of course of live streams.
yeah. Let's hit it tonight.
Yeah, I'm so tired.
Like, it's just a joke I keep coming back to. I always do that shit, like just like pretend I'm gonna drink some dangerous shit. But honestly, it smells like it would just get me drunk. So I'm like almost tempted, but I ain't.
Yeah,
doing
you
that
keep
shit.
sniffing it, dude. You're gonna get high.
Yeah, I gotta, something to hold me over for the drive home.
Something to hold me over for the drive home.
Yeah.
All right, yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks to all our patrons. Thanks to this big old list of people that we're about to scroll past the screen.
We even have to add more people to it.
Yeah.
It's just like we posted it. We're like, all right, well, we got like this much money. Now it's all just gonna go downhill. Everybody's gonna unsubscribe from the Patreon, and then people just keep adding to it.
Yeah,
So,
it's dope.
it's insane. It's